Hello everyone. So today we are going to work on how to remove markers from the minimap when the characters die. So here you can see in red this enemy is shown in the minimap over here, and once it die it's going to be removed from the minimap. Let me quickly kill him. Yeah, now it's dead. And it's no longer there in the minimap. So the minimap is listening to a gameplay message that broadcasts when a character is dead, and that's what happened in here. So once the character is dead, the relevant map marker is removed from the minimap, so it's no longer there. So before we get started, let me remind you that you can download the project files of this project and all other thousands of projects I have done in my channel from my Patreon page. Once you become a member, you can get access to all the projects without any limits. To the date, there are over 2000 videos, and for each video, project files are available. And here is the full playlist of this series. Everything is implemented from scratch and explained from scratch. You can follow these episodes and implement everything you see here by yourself too. So I leave the link to everything in description below. And now let's get started with today's episode. Okay, so right now if I just kill this character, which is over here, let me quickly kill this guy. As you can see now the health is reducing, and also that character is visible in the this guy also. Okay, yeah, see, now he's dead, but the marker is still there for the character. The overhead marker is gone, but the marker in the minimap is still there, and we need to get rid of that. So to do that, we already implemented in this death gameplay ability, we broadcast this message character.state.dead, and we broadcast this message with the generic message that as the instigator we pass a reference to the character who just died. Right now in the minimap we can listen to that message. So here we have listen for messages event, and we are only listening to right now add ui.minimap.add. So here don't think we can collapse this to a function. No, we can't. So here let's add the sequence, and I'll collapse this, add markers. I'll add a comment as well. This is the add markers listener, and then I'll add listening for message that listen for gameplay messages, and here I'll choose character and state and dead. Payload type, I'll choose generic as generic message, exact match. So when we receive a message, we can get the payload and break. So here we can access the instigator, which is the reference to the character who just died. Using this, add the route node and collapse this to a function. I'll call it remove marker. On message received, let's call this remove marker, and this is active. Okay, now let's implement this function. So let's collapse this part too, or we can just simply add a comment, remove markers, mark policeman. So right now, I'm only listening to death. There is no other messages that says me to remove marker. But when we have them, maybe later on, we can add them too. Also there, maybe as another entry to the sequence. So yeah, right now here, all we need to do is get the actor map and find using this actor, and if this is true. So first we need to have a marker in order to remove it. Only if this is true, I can remove from parent. Remove this from parent. Then we can call remove on the actor marker map. And this factor input parameter. We pass that. And that should be all. That should be all. Okay, let's try again. Let me put my character over here so it's easier to start the fight. I already didn't give him a shield so that easier to kill him because it can't block. Yeah, he's dead. And as you can see, the marker is no longer there. And that's all I want to cover in this episode. Alright, so thanks for watching. As always, updated project files will be available for download here in the Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And let me know if you have any questions in the comments. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.